Hi guys, today I'll be making slime and these are all the ingredients that I'll be using, and it's important to get the exact one that you see. With this one, this was from Boots and this is brilliant, and when you put that in it really turns out like it really gets the kicking in of being slime. And here I've got all my glue, and that's clear, but I quite like using the white PVA glue from Hobbycraft. So here is my bowl. So first I'm going to start off with my PVA glue. I'm going to make a medium size batch, so I think that's going to be enough. Okay, so the glue is in the bowl, and now we're going to add my Gillette shaving foam. So you're just going to So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my food colouring. So I'm just going to mix this first. So this is what it'll turn out to be like when you've had the Gillette shaving foam and the glue, PVA glue. So now I'm going to add a bit of my colouring at a time, but if we think it needs more, then we'll just add a bit more. Outside. So I think that's going to be done. So next what I'm going to add is my Bicarbonate of Soda. Just want a little teaspoon like that. So once you've mixed that in, that is with the food colouring, Gillette shaving foam and the PVA glue in the Bicarbonate of Soda. So now what you're going to add is your baby oil. Just going to mix a bit more of that in. Now we're just going to pour a bit of baby oil in. This just makes it stretchier. Once you've mixed all that in and you think that's ready to add the solution, it's important that you get the accurate one, and this one's from Boots and it is brilliant. When you put this in, you can definitely tell that it's turning into slime. mix in. As you can see, it's already turning into slime that we'll be adding more as we go along. A bit more. Getting really thick now, so I'm going to just try it. As you can see, it's turning out really well. I think I'm just going to add a bit more. On the sides. A bit sticky, but so I'm going to add a bit more of this. It's probably be enough. As you can see, it's very much now. Let's get this all of this. Get it all from the sides. So here we have our slime. Here. And if you want, then you can add some, like if it gets a bit sticky, then you can add some more solution. And also, if you don't think it's stretchy enough, then you can also add your baby oil. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye!